Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to promote affiliate links on a Facebook page, Facebook affiliate marketing. So let's get started. So here we are in our Facebook page, and from here we need to get our affiliate link first. So in this tutorial, I'm just gonna get it from Temu, and I'm just gonna copy my affiliate link for this item right here, which is this one right here. And I already have my image of my product, because the first thing that we will do is we are gonna post our product with the affiliate link, just like this one right here. So what you can do is you can click on the photo or video, and from here just simply type or just paste the link of the URL or of your affiliate link, and from here you can just type the description whatsoever. Of course, you would have to optimize your description here when you are posting. I'm just making this simple since this is just a tutorial. So this is the camera for your car that you should get, maybe something like that. And then you want to add a photo to your product, or maybe a video or whatsoever. In my case, I'll just keep it simple with just a photo from my product right here. And then from here I can now post it, or I can boost the post, which we can do later on when we post it. So we can click here on post. So this is the obviously first method that would be for promoting your affiliate link. And then the next one is you can boost the post right here, but you would need to pay for this one in order for your affiliate link or for this post right here to be advertised in the Facebook community. So as you can see right here, these are the budget. This is what you're going to pay. This is the estimated reach for this post. And in here you also have options right here. So this is actually requiring you to have some sort of strategy on how you could boost your post, because that would be very important so that you don't waste your money away boosting posts that should not be boosted, or you didn't do it the right way. So if you'd like me to make a video on that, you can comment down below, but this is for another video. I'm just saying that this is another way for you to promote your affiliate link. And then you want to go back now. So once you have done that, the next thing that we are going to do is we're going to put our website here into our Facebook page right here. So we would need to create a landing page for that, wherein in that landing page we would have all of our affiliate links that we are promoting. So the customers that we have would be able to see all of those, and they can just choose from the products there or the links that we have embedded in that landing page. So to add a website here, you need to click here on see more. So if in your case it's not a new Facebook page, then you should be seeing it right here in the about section, and you would have the enter website right there that you can click, and then you can enter the website from there. But in my case, I need to click on see more, and from here I need to click on add website. So this is the link to my website, so click on add. And from here, I just need to paste the website address right here. So now, in order for us to create a landing page, we would need a Linktree for that. So the URL would be linktr.ee, and then you'll be prompted to the Linktree, and from there you need to log in or sign up. In my case, I already have an account, so I have already logged in or sign up right here. And then from here, I'm just gonna choose the free plan right here. So I'm just gonna join for free, just for an example. And I'm gonna select the template on the landing page that I would want to have. In my case, I'll just go for this one. It's something simple, and click start with this template. And from here, I'm gonna select my content for Facebook and click on continue. And then from here, my Facebook page URL. So I'm just gonna copy that, or I'm gonna go back right here into my Facebook page right here, right there, and then I'm just gonna go and basically just copy the link right here, copy and paste it right here in the Facebook page URL, and then there we have it. And the next thing is we're gonna click on continue, and then select a profile image. So you can select just for an example, I'm just gonna select this product right here. Since I don't have a logo for my page, I'm just gonna click on crop and then upload it. And then after that, we will now be able to create our Linktree account. And there we have it. You can go for the bio. So let's go for Temu recommended products, maybe something like that. And then you can go for the bio. So here are the best Temu products that you can buy. So this is an example of how you can promote your product. So since I am selling or promoting Temu affiliate links, so I'm just gonna go for this title right here and click on continue. And then now we would need to check our inbox to verify our account right here. So I'm just gonna go and do it and verify email. And then after that, it will now be verified, and now we can proceed to the next step. So right here, it is now verified. So continue right here. And then there we have it. So now we can customize our link. So from here, we already have our Facebook page link. And then the next thing is we're gonna upload our links for our affiliate products. So we're gonna go back in here, and I'm gonna copy the link again right here, right there, and I'm gonna paste it right here and click on add. Or you can also go and design it. You can view all apps, and then you can also add the content, the YouTube, and so on right here. In my case, let's just go with something simple and just add a URL. Click on add right there. And then there we have it. We now have this. So I'm just gonna provide a title right here. So this product. So I'm just gonna go and customize the title with this product right here. And I'm just gonna go click on this one and just paste this right here. And there we have it. Now we have this one right here. So this is basically just a basic landing page with a link tree right here, and you can add as many product or link that you would want right here, since in the free plan you can add as many links as you want. So in my case, I'll just go and settle for this one for an example. And then once you have provided all of your affiliate links right here, so this is your landing page. And then from here you can actually see, click on share, and from here click on copy, and this is your link tree link right here. So this is what you would need to paste on your Facebook website, and this would be your landing page. And then when they click on your products or affiliate links right here, they would now be prompted into the product itself, so when they buy this, I would get a commission. So that is basically how you can promote your affiliate links here in your Facebook page. And now I'm gonna just add it into my Facebook page and paste the link tree address right here and click on save. And then there we have it. We now have that. So now when I go back in here, I could see that I now have my website in here promoted on my Facebook page. So when the customer clicks on this, they would now be able to see the affiliate links that I have. And yeah, that is basically how you can do this. So now you can just tell your customers to go into your Facebook page, and then they can see your website from here. And then another tip that I can show you is that you can go to bit.ly, and from here you can shorten your URL if you want that. So this is just another tip if you want to make a shorter website link that you can put right here in your intro or in your Facebook page. So that is basically it on how you can promote affiliate links on Facebook page. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.